Christina, how's it look?
It looks so foul.
It's your first time?
Yeah, this is my first time and the last one.
The last time. You didn't know what you were getting involved in. So today's the day. It is too early, it is too rainy, but we are gonna do it. We are installing a new pool, and I am gonna bring you guys along for that journey. When it rains,
Yes.
how will water not go into the mechanical room
I will
and fill up?
No, I will try.
Now I know a lot of you guys recently watched our video where we gave you guys a tour of our new home, and one of the things that we highlighted was our beautiful pool. Well, not so beautiful pool. This pool is actually in pretty bad shape. So right now he's cutting the, what is that called?
Liner.
He's cutting the old liner out. The old liner was pretty raggedy too. See now, that liner's like plastic, right? Mm-hmm. And what's under it is cement.
This is not very good. This is not good.
And so for the next couple of weeks, we are going to be draining, doing construction on this pool, and essentially building a brand new pool within the existing shell of the old pool. Now, the pool that was here was a bio pool. And if you don't know much about bio pools, basically it's a natural pool. It uses kind of like plant life and different biology to maintain the integrity of the pool. Unfortunately, the bio pool that was here, it wasn't a very good bio pool. And honestly, no one wanted to even touch it. So Christina, would you hop in this?
Absolutely not.
She said absolutely not. So this is what they're pulling out. This was the plant life. Too bad it didn't work out. Oh, but
I mean, isn't it wild because you think that like you're not seeing this before when you're in the water, like when you have all the water filled, but when you look at this now, that's what the water you're getting in has been sitting in, which just seems really disgusting. Like, I get the concept of a lake, but I think that there's more movement of water in a lake than just sitting and resting here. There's bugs in there. You see them?
oh yeah. Oh wow.
You see them moving around in that? They're like
Right,
the
right.
same type of bug. Like,
Oh yeah, you can see them.
and I think this is the problem too. You see all the algae on the liner? You see all the algae on the liner?
Oh yeah.
We had this professionally cleaned. We had scuba divers come in and clean everything off. And in less than a day, the algae just settles back down onto it. So it's like the algae is on the walls. It's on the bottom of the pool.
Yeah, and when you swim in a pool and you're stepping on this, that grosses you out.
Yes.
Like, you don't want to get in a pool and walk on that. And after seeing this, I think we're making the right decision. And we realized that really it's not our style. The upkeep is not as straightforward as you would think. And the maintenance is actually pretty expensive. And so what we're installing now is a new saltwater pool. It's gonna look fabulous, it's gonna be easy to maintain.
Tomorrow, I'm so excited for tomorrow.
So what happens tomorrow?
Tomorrow we cut all the liner
Yeah.
and
Ah,
to
good.
put the new pipes. One,
Okay.
2, 3,
Uh-huh.
2 skimmers,
Two skimmers.
2 projectors, the lights,
Okay.
everything.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Not all tomorrow, but tomorrow starts.
Yeah.
You don't have
The depth.
the depth,
How do you say in Portuguese?
profundidade.
Profundidade.
Yeah,
Não profundidade.
não profundidade.
No profundidade.
Tomorrow, Bruno comes and talk to you.
Oh
better.
no, your English is amazing.
Sorry.
My Portuguese is just not good enough. And so there you have it. Day one of the pool renovation is in the books. I can't wait to see what unfolds tomorrow. You guys be sure to subscribe to our channel to finish watching this pool renovation series. The Pool Renovation at our new villa in Cascais, Portugal. See you guys tomorrow.